Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker spaghetti Cacio e Pepe. Alright, I'm starting out of my pressure cooker and I'm going to take 8 ounces of spaghetti. This is uncooked spaghetti. And we're going to break it in half into the pressure cooker. So we get about 8 ounces worth here. This was a 2-pound box and I already used a pound of it. So I'm just eyeballing this. And if I get a little extra, that's no problem because pasta goes over big in the house. Right, you want to break your spaghetti in half. And I'm going to layer that in the pot, staggering it so it doesn't stick together so easy. Now I have 2.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to dump that down over top of the spaghetti. And let me grab a fork or something to push that spaghetti down. You want to make sure your spaghetti is submerged in your chicken broth. Okay, now I'm going to put my lid on here, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, my 8 minutes are up. I did a quick release of the pressure on this. Now I'm going to add in some black pepper. We're not going to add any salt because the cheese we're putting in has salt in it, and that chicken broth has salt. I'd probably put about a half teaspoon of pepper in there. I'm just going to give this a stir. Now I have some Romano cheese here. This is 8 ounces that I grated up. We're going to get some in here. We're going to do this in stages so it don't clump all up in one ball. We'll start with a little bit there. And I'm going to stir that in. And that chicken broth will thicken up a little bit with that cheese in there. And you just want to add your cheese in a little bit at a time so that it has a chance to melt in there. Right, I had probably about 5 ounces at 8 ounces of cheese in there, and it's all melted pretty well. And like I said, it's going to take a little bit. You have to do it in stages. I'm going to add in some fresh parsley that I chopped up. I'm going to go for probably about 2 tablespoons. Maybe we'll add a little more in there. Let me take a look at it. I also use dry parsley for this. And guys, I'm using my Instant Pot today. The difference between an Instant Pot and a pressure cooker, if you don't know, is just the name brand. An Instant Pot is a pressure cooker. So if you don't have an Instant Pot, your pressure cooker will work fine. Or if you don't have a pressure cooker, your Instant Pot will work fine. They're both the same thing. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some oven roasted chicken to go with this. And I added some more parsley on top. Let me get in there and give this a try. And my spaghetti didn't stick together in a pressure cooker while it was cooking. Creamy, cheesy, spaghetti's tender. Really delicious. One more try. Pardon me. That's really delicious. I'll try a little piece of my chicken for you. See, my chicken's cooked through. I have it seasoned with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. I sprayed it down with some olive oil before I put it in the oven. Chicken's really good too, but the video is about the spaghetti. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker spaghetti Cacio e Pepe. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.